महादेव। ट्रेलर देखा है आपने, कैसा लगा? So a small disclaimer, my Hindi is broken. I have a lot of confusion between mera, meri and aapka, aapke. So it's not a disrespect, but it's out of confusion. So please don't judge me. And I would like to really thank media. आपके वजह से इतना ज़्यादा reach मिला है नागबंधम को. And this is a great opportunity for me to thank you all. With all your love and support, this has been possible. And first of all, talking about Nagabandham. Nagabandham is not just another film. It's a larger than life mythological universe specially crafted for the audience. And it's an attempt to preserve India's civilization legacy. ये हमारी तरफ से सनातन धर्म को एक समर्पण है. हमारे हिस्ट्री सबको पता है क्या हुआ है. मुगल इन्वेजन के बाद काफी कुछ लूज किया है हमने. देव लूटेड आवर ट्रेजर, देव लूटेड आवर टेम्पल्स, करोड़ों लोग मारे गए हैं. एंड नागबंधम इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू show the future generations our ancestors sacrifice and resilience they have shown towards protecting our dharma. Yeah, that's it from my side.
आपने बोला हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, इतना अच्छा बोलोगे तो बाकी लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी. किशोर सर वहां खड़े खड़े देखे, मेरी अर्धांगिनी इतनी अच्छी हिंदी बोलती है, ये तो कमाल कर रही है. कमाल आप दोनों ने किया है. किशोर सर, टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस.
One last thing I would like to say. This event gives me really a great vibe. Thank you so much, Sunny ji, Red Eye Studios. गणेश जी की मंत्रोच्चारण के साथ शुरू हुआ है ये इवेंट. सब आपके वजह से हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एनेबलिंग दिस.
थैंक यू सनी जी, क्या बात है. वामसी शेखर साहब भी यहाँ पर है. बहुत बहुत
thanks to all the artists and all the other guests. So I think you've seen the trailer. Okay, I'll speak in English because she has already spoken enough.
She's aced it.
So I'll speak in English. Yeah. So I think all of you have seen the trailer. How did you like? I actually, I mean, the reception that you guys have given, I actually loved your reception of the trailer. So I'm feeling very satisfied, very happy. I sure think it will be a blockbuster, going forward. So thank.
सर, ट्रेलर में आपको अभिषेक नामा जी का विजन दिखा होगा. We really miss him not being here today.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's actually a fantastic comment. Thank you for that. Yeah, so I'd like to thank, like she said, Abhishek ji for mounting this magnum opus here and delivering to such scale and span. I'd like to thank the artists, Virat, Nabha, and our Risha. Sorry, I'm feeling a little bit nervous, but yeah. So yeah, Rishabh for actually being able to do this, positioning it at this scale and being able to give your best, on all the shooting days. Thanks to all the crew. Our Sundar sir is here. He has actually been able to bring this up. You've seen the visuals, so it's all because of him. I think I'd like to thank our production designer, Mr. Ashok. So he has been able to do a fantastic job with all the sets and all the art and craft that you're seeing on the scenes. Yeah, finally Abhishek, he has, like I said, he has done a fantastic job being able to mount this. I think that is all. Thank you everybody for being here and giving us such a huge, positive response.
Thank you so much, sir. Kishore sir, thank you so much. Of course, you.
Thank you very much for media people and Mumbai people, North Indian people. Nowadays, there is no North India or South India. India. Earlier, it's there Bollywood, Hollywood, like that, Tollywood. Now, आजकल कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. एक ही बात हो गया. इंडिया फिल्म, इंडियन फिल्म. We are proud. We are I'm proud to say, we are going to give you very big Indian film for the entire world. Definitely, we assure our Nagabandhu will do best of this year, one of the best film in this year. Thank you so much, everyone. 2 साल से सब जने बहुत मेहनत करा था ये फिल्म आउटपुट के लिए. 1 year we spent on post production, 1 year on production. Now 6 months we are doing post production work. Pre production के लिए 1 साल मेहनत करा था अपन ने. Finally we are going to deliver very excellent output. So thank you so much. Definitely you love it. Everyone should appreciate our
इस पैन इंडिया फिल्म के साथ मैं कहूंगा ऋषभ सोनी, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for him. And समता की मिसाल देखिए. ऋषभ अलग प्यार कर लो, आप ही कर लो यार. अरे क्या करके मानोगे ऋषभ, दिस इज फैंटाबुलस. एंड जो बड़े पर्दे पे देखा वो तो और भी माइंड ब्लोइंग है. यू नो, वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट स्केल. हमने शुरू में बात की थी कि वी ऑल आर ब्लेस्ड. टॉक टू अस अबाउट इट, बिकॉज एंटागनिस्ट टाइप कुछ दिख रहे हो लेकिन फिर भी क्या क्या माहौल था?
Bro, honestly, Abhishek sir is not here today, but it was entirely his vision. You know, this character is very dark, and I'm doing a double role, and both my characters are dark. You can call it dark and darker. And Abhishek sir gave me the freedom to go to the darkest ends. He was so descriptive and vivid, and you know, he explained the character very well, and the way he designed the looks, the way he designed the shots and everything, it gave me a lot of freedom to play the character, because it's not easy to play such a bad guy. And I really have to talk about 2 things, bro. Ashok sir, who's the art director of the film, he made such beautiful sets. I mean, there was a set where there were the 10 avatars of Vishnuji, and every time we were shooting, the first thing I would do when I went to the set was go in the middle, stand there, pray for 2 minutes. That used to give me so much, you know, it used to make me feel so centered. That is one. And the other person I want to talk about is the editor of our film, Pranav. He has done a fantastic job with the edit, and Sundar sir, I mean, the way he was framing each and every shot, you just look into the camera and you could know that something crazy is going to come out of it. Special mention for our producers, bro. The way they have supported the film, I mean, they used to be there on set for all the night shoots, for all the day shoots. Be it they are well, they are feeling unwell, they are feeling well, they were there. And even Ira is also there on set for a long time, bro. And overall, like I'm just thankful, I'm grateful for the opportunity, getting a Telugu debut with this film. I mean, I think God is really kind with me, because I got my debut with Fighter and then my Telugu debut with Nagabandham, and I'm just grateful. Thank you Vasu sir, thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thank you Sundar sir, and thank you Abhishek sir for the opportunity.
Thank you so much.
ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा? इतना सारा प्यार, thank you so much. I mean, the kind of energy you guys have given us for the trailer is amazing, and it's filled us with confidence. We were all sitting and the kind of, you know, hooting and whistles. Thank you so much. What do I say? What do you want me to say? This movie has been, the journey has been beautiful. Nagabandham is not just any film. It's our Sanatana Dharma and historical events wrapped in like a beautiful drama and presented at a large scale visual spectacle. आपने ट्रेलर तो देखा होगा, but असली picture on July 3rd. Please do come to the theaters and give us the same energy. What more can I say? And I have thanked all of our team yesterday in very length, but I just really want to thank Sounder sir, Rishabh, our producers, our incredibly talented director, our hero Virat,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Nishida and Kishore. I want to see the movie as much as the audience have been waiting because you're all in for a surprise, including myself.
She said it. She said it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
Most gorgeous is our heroine Nabha Natesh.
Absolutely. She said it. अभी वही चलने वाला है यहाँ पे. You know, she's conquered all the industries. कई सारी फिल्में, मैं किसी एक फिल्म का नाम यहाँ पे नहीं लूंगा because every single time you've seen her, you're like, wow, she's just gorgeous and so talented. Nabha Natesh, give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Please, मंच पर आइए. There she comes. अच्छा, यहाँ सीटियाँ हैं, वाह. अरे, बढ़िया करते हैं. Nabha, welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of this. It's so good to see you again. कुछ दिन पहले she was here, तो हमने वो माहौल देखा था. Everybody was a fan. You know, we all were so much.
आ गया एंड मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा इधर उधर होते हैं प्लीज फॉरगिव मी थैंक यू सो I would like to thank my director Abhishek Nama for giving me this beautiful opportunity क्योंकि second movie को इतना बड़ा movie आने के लिए it's not easy and he had seen something in me so I would like to thank him and my producers Nishita Garu and Kishore Garu for trusting me and giving me this huge project and Nabha Natesh, thank you so much for supporting me and she is very active in the shoot also, used to give lot of energy and Rishabh, thank you so much and DOP sir, thank you so much sir, your visuals are like crazy and I would like to say only one thing about this movie, it's not a movie, I'm not inviting you to watch it just as a movie. I'm inviting you to experience the journey that celebrates our Indian culture and courage. क्योंकि हमारा मिट्टी का स्टोरी है ये and we don't know our क्या बोलते हैं our next generations को we have to show our tradition and culture. So this movie is gonna show everything. हमारा इंडियन का पावर क्या है और हमारा सनातन धर्म का क्या है and everything it will show and the story runs about Vishnu, Shiva and Nagasadhu. So you link it in the link पूरा आपको मूवी देखने के बाद मिलता है. Thank you so much. Vasu garu, thank you so much sir and Ganesh Acharya master, thank you sir, thank you so much for because for the second movie इतना बड़ा choreographer से dance choreography करना it's not easy and I would like to thank Ganesh sir and thank you sir, thank you so much. And we started Ananta Padmanabh Nabaswamy Radha Yatra in AP and Telangana. वो उसको बहुत अच्छा response आ रहा है and we'll start this in Mumbai and North India also. I think that North, South, East, West पूरा सब हमारा मिट्टी है and उसमें हमारा mythology and हमारा story पूरा सबका एक ही रहता है. तो ये मूवी भी ऐसा है. सो सब लोग ये मूवी देख के जुलाई 3 ना एक सरप्राइज फील होता है एंड दिस मूवी इज गोना सरप्राइज यू ऑल. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
आप लोगों के लिए एक सरप्राइज है मेरा.
कार्तिक पौर्णमी के दिन हमारा टीजर लॉन्च हुआ था. तब से एपीटीएस में सब लोग इनको शिवजी ही मान रहे हैं.
जैसा मैंने कहा ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स हैं. सबको कितना चैलेंजिंग महसूस हुआ ये प्ले करते हुए because this is not easy.
Yeah, this is not easy because as a newcomer for me playing this much variation from my first movie to second movie and playing Nagasadhu character, it's not easy and I think that हमारा पूरा यूनिट का पीछे ये पावर है. That power is supporting us.
Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार.
कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन सिनेमा की एक वन ऑफ द लैंडमार्क मूवी बन चुकी है.
साउथ की जब भी फिल्में आती हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड वाले डर जा रहे हैं, ये कह सकता हूं मैं। ये जो आपकी फिल्म है, जो जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई, किस तरह से हुई? क्या आपने पहले से ये तय करके रखा था कि बाहुबली से भी हमें बड़ी फिल्म बनानी है?
First of all, we are not from the film industry. This is our first film, Nick Studios का. पहले हम सॉफ्टवेयर बिजनेस कर रहे थे, उसके बाद बिजनेस डाइवर्सिफाई करना चाहते थे और ये फिल्म की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली हमको. एंड जब अभिषेक नामा सर से मिले थे, उनका प्री प्रोडक्शन वर्क इतना स्ट्रांग था, उनका विजन पूरा समझ में आ गया हमको. तो उसके हिसाब से हमको लगा ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ा हिट बन जाएगा. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिग डिवोटी ऑफ शिव जी, सो आई लाइक द सब्जेक्ट एंड वी वांटेड टू डू इट मोर. किशोर, you want to expand more on this?
Yeah, so can I talk English? Yeah. So when we started, I think the budget was not this high. So we started it. The output started coming well. We started seeing very good reception from the people who have seen the rush. People have visited the sets. The artists were also doing very well. Everybody was giving in their day in day out only for the movie. So if you talk about Abhishek, Virat, so there most of the, I mean, the good amount of team is also a first timers and they're giving their heart and soul for the project. So seeing that dedication, I think you get that kind of confidence that this project will be a huge success. So that is the gut feel that we have gotten when we started early. And as we started seeing the output, as we started getting more and more confidence, we started investing. And while we are doing that investment, we are also cognizant of what is the risk that we're taking, how to de-risk it, and will it be a profitable venture or not. So all these have been considered and then only we have invested. So you can call it a calculated risk.
आपने कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क की बात की, इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की. अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ, क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है इस फिल्म को लेकर और क्या प्लानिंग है रिटर्न्स को लेकर? कहाँ वर्ल्ड वाइड किस तरह से प्लानिंग है? क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म बाहुबली के रिकॉर्ड सारे तोड़ पाएगी? क्योंकि विजुअली तो बहुत इफेक्टिव लग रही है फिल्म.
So the investment is at around 110 crores plus has been the investment. As far as will it cross Bahubali or not, I think you guys, your response has actually been the proof of whether it will cross Bahubali or not. So I'll leave it at that. So let's wait for July 3rd and then see how it goes.
My friends keep telling me, पूरा Instagram पूरा नागाबंधम ही चल रहा है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that itself is that shows the movie is going to be a big blockbuster.
I think we've somewhere created that interest in the audience. That this is a film to look out for. The film has stands out, and then there is great content that that will surprise you. So I think those three things are actually enough to pull the audience into the theaters. Then let's see how it goes.
And talking about the business, we've partnered with some of the greatest. Like we have Z Studios on board for distributing in North and overseas. I think that gives us a strong strength.
We have closed 80% of the business, so I think we're out of risk in that sense.
Sir, my question is to Virat sir. Yeah.
Hi sir.
मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज़ द लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. सो ये मूवी के लिए पूरा मैं मेरा जान लगा के काम किया, क्योंकि आपका दिल में छोटी से जगह चाहिए. सो या एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट. सर आपने नहीं सुन रहे तो सॉरी.
My name.
Sorry, sir.
Can I, sir? Sir, आप. कौन था भाई? सर मैं पूछ लूं? सर के पास आ जाऊंगा. क्या कंफ्यूजन है भाई?
Yeah, Kishore and Nishita, congratulations. Hugely mounted, absolutely. And then when you see this trailer itself, I just don't know what's lying ahead in the film as such. And it's wonderfully executed also. And Soundarajan, my goodness, it's mind-blowing, absolutely. And the best part is that everyone, right from Nabha, Rishabh, my goodness, you're looking mind-blowing, absolutely, I think. And two avatars you are doing, two double role. That also you are looking different and at the same time menacing. so dangerously menacing in it. And Virat, my goodness, character you have portrayed in it, it's out of the box as such. I just want to ask one thing, Rishabh especially, that this film is getting released in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi. And have you done dubbing for Telugu also, if I'm not mistaken?
Telugu and Hindi.
And how did you find the experience working with these people from the south as such?
Sir, honestly, I think I've been blessed. My first film, I had a great experience with the production team. This during Nagabandham, I have nothing to complain about. Like I said before as well, the producers backed everyone through and through. They were there to take care of everyone. They were there to look out for everyone, and there was not much of a difference in the working styles also, because at the end of the day, both were like big commercial films, and both of them were dealt with the utmost professionalism and yeah, grace, I would say.
Kishore, one thing I want to ask you, this is your first film. So
We loved you seeing the performance doing hook step over your life, so we also want to do it with you. Can we?
Right now?
Yeah, now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll do it.
Sharina?
I'll call you. We'll just quickly finish the questions.
Sure.
I'll come to you. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Vishal here. My question is for you. It was hardly we can see you in the trailer, 2 frames. And there is also like recently there was very big film and which was only focused on the hero, not on the heroine side. And this is the complaint from the audience point of view for you also. I just want to know about your character and also question for you guys also. Can we see only Virat as the main focus, or we can see the heroine part also in the film?
Story of the film is such that every character is justified. There's really no compromise on anybody. It's like heroine को ज़्यादा screen space नहीं मिलता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We made sure everybody is getting there.
I mean, this is not a typical hero-based movie in that sense. You will see the story running, story leading it, and then everybody giving in their everything for
Because
the story.
it's a huge complaint for the viewers also. Like nowadays, more focus on there on the hero, not on the hero.
I think that trend is changing. Because the stories are
Because
getting-
recently, as a viewer also, if we talk, we have seen this complaint. Big budget film came in, which was
Definitely,
focused.
I can understand your
And this trailer also, we can hardly see her. Only 2 frames I just saw.
No. The director has chosen to do an action cut, so my character has not been. I've not done any action, so I'm not.
That's why I'm asking you to tell me something more about your character,
My
what I can
character
see.
is called Parvati.
Yeah.
It's got very much to offer to the story throughout the film. It's got many layers. You're going to be surprised when you watch the film, and I've gotten a very beautiful, a great opportunity to portray this character in a sense as to a woman's every single role in her life, be it a daughter, be it a sister, be it a comrade, be it a companion, be it a lover, not just for a role, for like a title, but also contributing to the story in these roles. So it's not going to be how you've been asking. It's going to be amazing because, like our producer mentioned, this movie story is the main focus, and a lot of other characters also actually come and gonna entertain you in many ways.
And also Virat, yeah. Tell me.
Sir actually has to say something
Yes,
about
yes,
it.
sir. Yes.
Her character is a surprise in the film. There's a surprise
Okay.
in the film, so we hid it from the trailer.
Okay.
Heroine is more than just a
Be surprised in the theatre. Yes.
heroine is more than just a glamour in this film. She has a lot to deliver, which you'll be seeing on the big screens on July 3rd.
And also Virat is such a fresh start. Tell me something. How difficult mythology is for you? What was your research when you got this character?
So पहले मेरे को भगवान का I mean I used to pray God but इतना ज़्यादा I mean not so much close to the God. So जब ये story सुना था तो I started surveying about the character and the Naga sadhus and all. So like that, I became very close to Lord Shiva, and I used to go to temples and all. While playing the character also, I went to the temple daily, and I used to do Abhishekam for Lord Shiva. So like that, I got lot of emotionally connected to Lord Shiva. And I feel like while playing the character, some energy is behind me, so that in the tough situations also I played this with lot of encouragement and courage. Yeah.
To add to what Virat said, he has a great body in the trailer, as you can see. But of late, he's been going to a lot of temples. He's become a big devotee of Lord Shiva, 41 days Vrat and all that. He's not been eating well, I think, which made him lose lot of weight.
एंड ऑल्सो ऋषभ, आपसे मेरा सवाल है, ये आपकी दूसरी फिल्म है, पहली फिल्म को काफ़ी प्यार मिला है, लोगों ने काफ़ी सराहा है उस कैरेक्टर को, एंड सेकेंड फिल्म की अगर हम बात करें, डबल रोल है आपका, किस तरह से आप देखते हो? क्योंकि अक्सर लोग हीरो के किरदार को काफ़ी प्यार देते हैं, विलन के किरदार को प्यार देते हैं, तो कहते हैं कि ये बड़ी फिल्म है क्योंकि विलन के किरदार को प्यार मिला है। आपकी पहली फिल्म में भी आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है, ट्रेलर काफ़ी अमेजिंग है, आप अपने किरदार के बारे में बताइए थोड़ा सा, एंड कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है डबल किरदार फॉलो करना?
यार मेरे लिए कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, डिफिकल्ट से ज़्यादा मैं बोलूँगा इट वॉज more of an adventure for me because I was very, मैं बहुत खुश था जब ये कैरेक्टर, मेरे को 2 कैरेक्टर मिले इस फिल्म में करने के लिए, क्योंकि 2 अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स हैं। टॉकिंग अबाउट जो लव, जो प्यार मुझे मिलेगा, फाइटर के बाद भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कहा था कि भाई वी हेटेड यू ऑन स्क्रीन, मन कर रहा था आके देखो मार दें, मन कर रहा था कि ये मर क्यों नहीं रहा कैरेक्टर, ये बंदा बार बार जिंदा हो जा रहा है। अगर आप लोगों को फाइटर देख के मेरे से नफरत हुई थी, मेरे कैरेक्टर से आप लोगों को डर लगा था, तो मैं आपको गारंटी से बोल रहा हूँ इस फिल्म में इट विल बी हायर। इस फिल्म में आई होप ऐसा ना हो बट इस फिल्म में बहुत ग्रूसम कैरेक्टर्स हैं मेरे दोनों। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक कैरेक्टर थोड़ा चिल है, दूसरा कैरेक्टर थोड़ा ज्यादा ही हैवानियत वाला है, दोनों ही हैवान है एंड एक से बढ़कर एक। तो 3 जुलाई को आपको पता लगेगा एंड आई होप यू गाइस हेट माय कैरेक्टर अगेन।
All the best. We hate you, Rishabh. Okay. One last question we're taking. Yeah, come on.
Everyone says, I hope you love my character, but this is something new. I hope everyone hates my character. Love this.
Villain, that's the goal, ma'am.
Off screen, on screen, of course.
Sir, my question here, sir, to Sounder, sir, this larger than life film deserves to be coming in 3D also. Is this coming in 3D version? It has to be deserved.
We made the trailer in 3D, but not the trailer, the teaser. But then this, I think, if we get more time, we'll try for it. But
it has to be deserved because all the whatever the visuals we see.
So the teaser, I've seen the teaser in 3D. I think it was fantastic. We did a show in Hyderabad. The details that have come out, I mean, the cinematography and the direction, the artwork is vivid, more vivid. You will see all the finer details when you get it in 3D. But then I think the time is not sufficient for us to be able to do 3D right now. I
give
think
the deliverables is difficult.
Yeah. So after the main run, I think we'll try another release in 3D if everything goes well. Let's see.
Yeah, to the producer and Vasu sir, one small question. We are not sure what happened before Pedi release of Ramcharans. There were a little bit deadlock between exhibitors and distributors happening in Telugu states relating to new revenue sharing model or something rental kind. So there was, intervention by Chiranjeevi sir, and it went. From July there was some new model coming effective in Telugu states. There was, I think this will be your first film. What can you share that? What will be the new model kind? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's there. Rental system, percentage system. Actually, all over India, only percentage system is there. But in Telugu states, there is a rental system as well as a percentage system. Both the systems is running there. For big films, rental is more beneficial, and for smaller films, mid-level films, percentage is always good. अभी क्या हो रहा है, वो एग्जीबिटर्स बड़ा पिक्चर साल में 1-2 पिक्चर सारा उसको रेंट पे लगा के पूरा शेयर लेके जा रहा बोलते फाइट कर रहा, अभी कलेक्शंस नहीं बराबर नहीं आ रहा छोटा फिल्म। चलिए वो लफड़ा था, अभी फाइनलाइज हो गया फ्रॉम 3rd July, आई थिंक फ्रॉम आवर फिल्म entire Telugu states will be customized system. Exhibitors को benefit हो जाएगा. वो compensate हो जाएगा.
3rd जुलाई ना सर, सबको देखने को मिलेगी ये पिक्चर. पूरा पैन इंडिया, पैन वर्ल्ड वी गोइंग टू एंजॉय दिस. बस आप उसका स्ट्रेस मत लो, थिएटर देखो आप तो बस. अभी फिलहाल के लिए before we wrap this up, ladies and gentlemen, the two gorgeous ladies.
Other productions also, or after seeing the response to this film, you'll start planning. How was the experience of yours working with these people as such?
I think this is my first time. I mean, obviously all of you know. So I think one of the mentions I want to do is of Vasigaru. He has been the pillar of support for us. I mean, we don't know anything in production in that sense. So he has guided, helped, told us how things work, how things do not work, where to be careful, where not to be. I think, and he has been with Abhishek for long, and they have done enough number of productions to be able to know what is right, what is wrong. So I think in that way we've been. I mean, the experience has been good. There was too much to learn in too short a time, and there was we have spent also too much in too short a time. So both ways. So, but I think it's a good investment. I think you have gotten the right kind of output. Yeah. So,
And Abhishek is not there, we are missing him as such.
yeah.
And he has done wonderful job. Everything is the story, screenplay, direction, everything. Wonderful. Beautifully executed. Wish you all the best.
Thank
all
you.
the best.
My question is to Rishabh sir. Rishabh sir, big fan. As he was saying already, since it is very difficult to work on a Telugu film since you are a Hindi person and you know Hindi language mainly. So is there any dialogue which you can say in front of us for us? Like anything, like in Telugu.
So this was one of the dialogues from the film. It's one of my favorite scenes from the film. It goes like, మీ డాడీ నేను కలిసి గేమ్ ఆడితాం. నేను గెలిచే వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలి కదా.
Meaning sir.
Me and your dad are playing a game and I'm winning. Now whoever's the winner, he needs to get the prize, right? But your dad's not giving me the prize. That was the meaning of the dialogue.
Thank you sir.
Hello. Hi, Angelika here from the Delhi Times. And क्या मैं कलयुग के सबसे बड़े राक्षस से सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ? Yes, Rishabh. We have seen you in Fighter. You have been that gelled hair, soft kind of a villain in that. And now I see you in such a getup, like with makeup and hair. The externalization of the character is really, really very impressive. What was the internalization of the character? How did you prepare it internally for the character?
I use my own, I follow one process. I write down the complete backstory, get into the characters. Like I write down incidents about the character's life in his younger days, create a whole story. In this, I had 2 characters to play, so I had to do it twice. But yeah, most of it was internal. Most of the internalization happened by writing about the character, exploring the characters through history, through books and all, whatever material I could find about the character. So that is how I internalized it.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Check.
Hello.
That second character के लिए ऋषभ को daily 2 घंटा टाइम लगेगा मेकअप के लिए.
Sir, 3 hours.
Vasigaru, it's I think 6 hours. Both of these guys have lot of patience, sitting 6 hours for the makeup, hero and villain.
Yeah, no, it was. The thing is, director sir envisioned the character in such a brilliant way that it didn't feel like too much of a task because the output was coming out to be so good.
Hi.
मीडिया से आए हुए सारे दोस्तों का स्वागत है यहाँ पे. और ये जो फिल्म है, सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैं भूल रहा हूँ, हमारे इस जहाज के कप्तान, ये जंबो जेट है. ये जो जहाज है ना नागाबंधम, ये जंबो जेट है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द बिगेस्ट एयरक्राफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, एयरबस 380. ये जो जहाज है नागाबंधम इज नोन एज एयरबस 380. तो इसके जो कप्तान है हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब अभिषेक नामा जी, उनको हम मिस कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे इसलिए नहीं आ पाए क्योंकि हमारी पिक्चर 3 जुलाई को वर्ल्ड वाइड रिलीज है. इस पैन वर्ल्ड फिल्म, तो उस फिल्म का कुछ हमारा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन चल रहा है, तो इसके लिए नहीं आ पाए. सो आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर दिस एंड अभिषेक गारू, मिस यू हियर. एंड इस फिल्म के बारे में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो बात है, to bankroll this film and believing this content. I would like to salute the producer, the dear producer, husband and wife, Kishore Garu and Nishita Garu, capturing this spectacular visuals. Roman Nandi sir, Talivare, Inge Talivare Inge, Chandrajan Garu, the cameraman, the DOP of this film. एंड एक बात अभी बताना चाहूंगा कि अभी ऋषभ ने बोला कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद लोग मुझसे क्या बोलेंगे, हेट नहीं करेंगे. आप लोग गलत समझ रहे हैं, इनको एक्चुअली बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं, इनको शर्म आ रही बोलने के लिए. जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है इस फिल्म के शूटिंग के दौरान, आप लोगों को इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद ऋषभ से नहीं, जो विलेन है ना दुनिया में सबसे खराब से खराब, गलत से गलत विलेन को देखा होगा, इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद में विलेन शब्द से ऋषभ साहनी से घृणा हो जाएगा.
सर फिलहाल आपके जोश से प्रेम हो गया हमें. इस टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. We'll do a quick picture with this.
स्क्रीन के ऊपर में जो ट्रेलर देखा आपने, उसके बारे में आप लोग अपने तरफ से जितना लिख सकते हैं लिखेंगे, तो हमारे लिए जो दो नए कलाकार हैं, एक ऋषभ जो सेकंड फिल्म है इनकी और विराट की पहली फिल्म है, उनको बहुत फायदा मिलेगा नॉर्थ इंडिया में. तो आप लोगों के सपोर्ट की बहुत जरूरत है. तो मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूं, मैं इस फिल्म के लिए प्लीज आप लोग सपोर्ट करें, जितना भी कर सकते करेंगे. सैल्यूट टू ऑल द मीडिया, ऑल द जर्नलिस्ट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम बॉम्बे एंड फ्रॉम अराउंड द कंप्लीट इंडिया. And my name is Sanjay Singh. I'm a small person. My partner Dilip Soni. We have done the business for this film Nagabandham in North India as well as in overseas as well as in satellite. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
110 करोड़ की पिक्चर की
Created this crap in Mumbai in our land, Sunny Bakshi, and team and entire team, and also the man behind Nagabandham, the media head, the planning commission chairman for the publicity, for the PR work, Mr. Vamshi Shekhar. Ekra Vamshi Garu, please support Khaya, please just stand up, please.
Vamshi Garu, come on.
Vamshi Garu, the biggest PR of Indian cinema, Telugu cinema, with the pan India cinema हो गया sir. Thank you sir, thank you very much.